Well, we host the Clean Air Academy simply because our customers, partners, even our own employees really need to understand the principles of industrial ventilation so that we can provide the best service, best solutions to our customers. When someone attends the Clean Air Academy, they should be able to walk away with a really good understanding of the fundamentals of industrial ventilation, what it takes to design hoods, ductwork, the dust collector itself, the fans, and be able to marry that all together into a really well-working dust control system.
There are very few out there who kind of have the level of expertise that you guys have. And it's a very valuable thing for you, your company, and the future of anybody in the HVAC industry, knowing how it actually would work and function and assimilate into what we can provide and design. What we do is we're going to leverage that with our clients.
For what we've been trying to achieve at Toyota for Clean Air, from my takeaways the first time I took this academy through my workings with RoboVent, we've really locked in a lot of improvements over the last 6 years. We're hoping to take that to the next level and advance even further, hopefully to the future having a clean enough plant that we can entertain being able to at some point air condition our plant, which has been a long-term goal.
Everything that I'd learned is in my CIH exam. I'd be very likely to recommend somebody coming here. There's some very good information. Your instructors are good, they're smart, they know what they're doing.
I didn't have a ton of expectations coming in. I was told that I should, learn more about industrial ventilation and how to kind of improve throughout all our different facilities. So when I came in here, I was expecting just to kind of get a base knowledge. I feel like I've well exceeded that.
What's unique about the Clean Air Academy is that we keep the class size fairly small. So it's an intimate setting, intimate group of people. They're all industry professionals who are involved either in designing systems or maintaining and operating those systems, owning those systems. And what you get then is a unique perspective of the attendees who are free to really communicate with one another, discuss their problems with one another, and really come up with real-world solutions that they are experiencing versus just learning the technical aspects of it. We're actually solving problems that the customer deals with in their facility.